vlog on mathematics in nature.
Hi! Welcome to our vlog. This is Group 5, and in this vlog you will learn that mathematics is everywhere around us. But first, let me introduce to you to Fibonacci numbers. These are numbers that forms a sequence starting from 1 or 0 and 1 followed by the sum of the two preceding numbers. And it was developed by an Italian mathematician, Fibonacci himself. Let you understand more, here are the examples of Fibonacci numbers and golden ratios around us.
What are you waiting for? Let's start.
As you can see at the video, the flower has a golden ratio. So I hope also while you are watching the video, I hope you find out also you find the golden ratio in the flower.